Hey there! As part of our continuing discussion on SAMR and vocabulary, I'd like to now talk about the redefinition level. So remember, redefinition is all about bringing the outside world into your classroom or taking your classroom to the outside world. In this redefinition phase, we're actually going to do a little bit of both. So my suggestion for a redefinition with vocabulary, and one way you could do this is by using ThingLink, which is the tool that I use to create the graphic that you see here on your screen. What it allows you to do is upload an image to the platform and then bring resources from all over the web and link them onto the picture that you've uploaded to ThingLink. From there, once you've created your images and put all your interactive links on it, you can then share that ThingLink to a website, or you could easily take the link, and if you have a Twitter account that you use for your classroom, I know that's becoming more and more popular, you can tweet that link out and you've reached the redefinition phase. You could also take this link and post it onto a public Google Doc that you share with parents so they can see the student created resource. So enough about what you can do, let's actually get into how you can do this. So once you get to thinglink.com, you are going to have to, at least yourself, create a free account. I've already done that. Inside the ThingLink panel, you can actually, as a teacher, add students. So you can have 105 students within your classroom. Right now I have 2 out of 105, but you could add up to 105 students if you'd like to do that. Another way to do it is just share the ThingLink username and password throughout your class. So I'm going to get into how to create now that you know the kind of nuts and bolts of how to do something. So when you get to ThingLink, you have a couple ways to add your background image. You can have a picture from your computer, you could pull one from the web, a couple different ways here. So I've already uploaded one from my computer. I took a screenshot of one of the vocabulary worksheets on the Pearson Realize downloadable PDF section, and I've posted it here to ThingLink. And I've already started with the term memorial, and I've placed a picture and a description of the Lincoln Memorial here. I'm going to add another one to positive. So to add a link, I just double click. I get one of these dots. I can change the dot to any of these presets here. If you want to, you can upgrade and you'll get a whole bunch of other icons. I'm okay with the presets myself. Then I need to have a link of something I'd like to point people towards to teach them a little bit about the term positive. So one of the things I thought of was this Kid President's famous video, 20 Things We Should Say More Of. I think that's pretty positive thinking. So I'll post that link in the link or address, and you can see the videos already popped up here in a popover. And I also have the opportunity to add some text to kind of describe my thinking. So I'm going to say some things about this video and why I linked it. I'll save that tag, and now when a user comes in and pops over this icon, they'll see that video and my thought pop up. So it'll look something like this in the interactive. What I can do from there is actually take this ThingLink and share it out with anyone that I like. From this same edit screen, I can now go to settings to start sharing my ThingLink I have image visibility set to public. You have unlisted as well. That just means that you can only see it, so I want to make sure it's public when I'm about to share this. I'm going to go ahead and save this image, and then I can take this URL and I can share that on Schoology. I can share that on my classroom website. I could tweet that out with my classroom Twitter account and share what my students have created now back to the world. So I've pulled in things from the outside world as well as pushed this out to the world, which is what gets me to that redefinition phase. Redefinition doesn't have to be bringing in a classroom expert to your classroom. That is a way to reach redefinition, but it does not have to be that. So we've brought in resources from the outside world with the web links. We've also now taken our ThingLink that we've created with those web links and shared it to the outside world, which that combination takes us to the redefinition phase. I hope you enjoyed this ThingLink and SAMR and vocabulary lesson. I appreciate your time and thanks for watching.